What do you see?
Aka.
No, Lucy, that's for you. It's a present for Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go play with it?
What is it?
Look. Alice's phone. Yeah.
That's Lucy's phone.
This best button.
Look, it's a microwave and an oven.
Open it.
Oh.
Fork.
Lucy, do you have your own kitchen?
Fork.
It's a spatula.
Boom.
Uh-huh. So you can stir your soup.
Soup. Yeah. Yeah. Plate.
That is a plate.
It's Lucy's.
Uh-huh.
What color is it?
Is that your Christmas present? Is there a bowl?
Yeah.
There's a pot. Do you see the pan
Pan.
to stir?
Stir. That is hot. Cakes.
Are you gonna make pancakes?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Do you want to open another present?
Another one. Right there.
Which one should she open? Lucy, you want to open another present? Here's one from Nana. You want to open this one?
This one. Nana.
Uh-huh.
Nana.
From Nana.
Open it.
And Pop Pop too.
Apple one.
It's from Pop Pop too, Lucy.
Nana and Pop Pop. Can you help me open it?
Pull.
Pull, pull, pull.
Oh. A button. Button. Oh. Baby. A banana. Thank you.
That's right, it's for Lucy. Should we get it out? Okay. Oh, she's got a cord around her neck. Just a second. Not a quarter, a cord around. She has shoes on. Wow.